Morning. Just a simple question. If you buy as an investor and you will still be a resident in South Africa, when you sell maybe in 5 to 10 years' time, what will be the tax implications on that? Like if you are a foreigner and you buy in South Africa, you are treated as a non-resident, and your tax implications, you pay more tax than someone who is a resident. So I want to know, if I buy in France or in America and I'm still staying here, if I sell, the taxman, how is he going to treat me? Thank you.
Certainly from the UK non-domiciled, you don't really have a capital gains problem from the UK side, but if you're domiciled in South Africa, you'll finish up with capital gains taxation because you're a tax resident here. So, and that's taxed on global assets.
Yeah, but you've got to be careful with that because there's a dual tax agreement. So if you've paid tax in England, you don't pay tax again in South Africa if you pay a higher tax rate in England. So basically in England, Australia and America, there's a dual tax agreement. And depending if you will pay tax in both England, Australia, and in America. And if you pay a higher tax there, you won't be taxed again in South Africa. I personally wouldn't sell property.
Just in the US, also different states have got different taxes. One of the lowest states with the lowest capital gain tax, in fact, is the state of Florida, just out of interest.
To France, yes, there's a double taxation treaty, obviously, as well. So as Scott said, like you've got, like you're first taxed in the state. Like if your property is in France, you first taxed over there, and then you taxed over here if there's something remaining. Otherwise, you just taxed in France first.
Cyprus, they're going to penalise you if you try and get rid of your property too quickly. They want to incentivise you to keep it for longer, obviously. And if you are a permanent resident, you're residing there permanently, there are a lot of write-offs and rebates. But if you're going to be domiciled here, the same would apply, double taxation treaties, and you'll be taxed on your worldwide income.